What's up guys, it's Marissa with Krietz Customs, and if you have an SUV and you're a little bored of it, Krietz Customs has multiple options to enhance your ride. When customizing your SUV, Krietz Customs has multiple styles and options to choose from. We can do custom color matching where we black out the full vehicle, white out the vehicle, even highlight some of the accents on the SUV itself. Some other options we can do that kind of spruces it up a little bit is the interior custom color matching as well, the dashboard, also the center console, and some other accents in the vehicle that can also be color matched. Now, if you're looking to add some wheel and tire options, maybe add a lift for a little bit more of an aggressive appeal, we can handle that for you as well. More options and accessories that you guys can add is running boards, exhaust, as well as tint, and then we can also powder coat the wheels, either black or a specific color that you are looking for. We have a team of aftermarket experts that can help you through the full process. Whatever you're looking for, whatever style you're looking for, Krietz Customs has it all. Make sure you stop by our showroom here in Frederick, Maryland, or give us a call 301-694-4642. And if you like lifted trucks, SUVs, or Jeeps, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a video.